long silence is more than I can bear. I know she ain't got much to say, but can you try to hear me out anyway? This space between us just keeps on growing. We both know where we've been, but there where we're going. I can see it in your eyes, girl, that's wondering, but our love still stands the test. The answer is yes.